How Nollywood's top 10 richest actresses made their wealth. Nollywood offers a lot of opportunities for major players to become millionaires, both in the Nigerian local currency and even in US dollars. As expected, not every Nollywood actress makes millions, but on this countdown of 10 Nollywood actresses who are tagged the richest, we take a look at how they made their wealth. At number 10 is Mary Njoku. Renowned Nollywood actress Mary Remi Njoku migrated from a celebrity to a power-wielding movie entrepreneur when she married the founder of Iroko TV, Jason Njoku, in 2012. The actress, believed to be worth about 400 million naira or $1.1 million, is now the CEO of Rock Studios, a movie company established in 2013 by her and her husband. In 2016, Rock Studio launched a brand new Nollywood channel on UK Sky TV channel 344, and in November of the same year, Rock launched across Africa on the DSTV platform, bringing exciting original content to 52 countries 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Earlier on in 2013, Mary Remi Njoku, her husband and Bastian Gotta launched Spark, a $2 million company to support aspiring Nigerian tech and internet entrepreneurs. All of these perhaps give her power over a section of the industry and more chance of increasing her wealth. Coming at number 9 is Patience Ozoko. Often called Mama G, Patience is one of the most prominent actresses in Nigeria. Her Nollywood career has spanned over 40 years, making her one of the longest serving characters in the movie industry. She is believed to be worth about 410 million naira or $1.1 million. She is also ranked among actresses who earn up to $1 million naira or $2,700 per movie. Apart from acting, she has in the past earned a lot of money from her appearances on MTN commercials and promos. She also signed an endorsement deal with Globacom after her deal with MTN ended. She was also signed as a brand ambassador for Dettol, seeing her embark on the program dubbed the Dettol School Hygiene Program Initiative. At number 8 is Claron Chukwura. Popular, beautiful and successful Nollywood actress Claron Chukwura is believed to be worth about 415 million naira or approximately $1.1 million. The actress, whose acting career spans over 3 decades, came into prominence after she featured in the 1980s soap opera titled Mirror in the Sun. The former wife of legendary Nigerian musician Shina Peters and the proud mother of renowned Nigerian music video director Clarence Peters was recognized as a United Nations Peace Ambassador for her charity work across Africa. Apart from acting, Claron Chukwura also dabbled into the fashion business following her establishment of Jet Production Limited. The company also aimed at becoming a leader in the television and movie production business in Nigeria. Gift and souvenir packaging was also prominent in their priority. At number 7 is Daniela Okeke. While not too many movies created in Nigeria featured Daniela as their main star, you can still remember her by such films as Lagos Koga and Slick Ladies. Nevertheless, many people perhaps know her for being very controversial. The actress cum producer, who received up to $1 million naira or $2,700 per movie, is believed to be worth about 417 million naira or approximately $1.1 million. The actress, who broke into the movie industry in 2007, owned a mansion in Lagos luxurious area with 4 luxury cars to go with. The CEO of the Kovi Entertainment Company says outside her acting career, she also owns a jewelry shop in Lagos. Although she claimed there is no big man in her life that is responsible for her luxurious lifestyle and globe-trotting, but many people think otherwise. Taking the 6th spot is Ini Edo. Popular actress Ini Edo, who is believed to have starred in over 100 Nollywood movies, is said to be worth about 450 million naira or approximately $1.2 million. The actress, who is said to take about $1 million naira or $2,700 per movie, has also made a lot of money from endorsement. For 10 years, the star actress served as a Glow ambassador. She also signed an ambassadorial deal with Slim Tea Nigeria and Noble Hair. The actress, who lives in one of the luxurious areas in Lagos and drives exotic cars, was appointed by the United Nations as the United Nations Habitat Youth Envoy. She was also appointed as the Special Assistant to the Akwa Ibom State Governor on Culture and Tourism in 2016. At one time, she ventured into pastry business as well as running a nightclub, which according to industry watchers had issues. At number 5 is Funke Akindele. Funke Akindele, famously dubbed Jennifer, is a popular Nollywood actress of Yoruba descent. The Nollywood star can boast a net worth of 500 million naira or about $1.3 million, and her fans know that she deserves every naira she owns. Funke Akindele has featured in hundreds of Nollywood and Yoruba movies, and she is believed to earn as much as 1 million naira or $2,700 per movie. The actress, who is acclaimed to be the originator of one of Nigeria's award-winning TV series, Jennifer's Diary, also makes a lot of money from endorsements. Notable among her endorsement deals are her ambassadorial deal with Nigerian telecom giant Globacom, as well as another for Omo washing detergent owned by Unilever PLC. She is also an ambassador for Iroko TV. She also represents Afro-European fashion label Ayo Van Elma. Akindele, who is said to be the highest paid Yoruba actress, also signed a brand ambassadorial deal with online business networking platform Kulichi.com, as well as Nigeria Lottery Store, Western Lotto and So Clean washing powder respectively. Her list of endorsements will not be complete without mentioning Jobberman, Nigeria's top job search website, as well as Lagos Inland Revenue Service and sport betting company 1960, and not forgetting Vitafoam. Coming at number 4 is Omotola Jalade Ekinde. Popularly called Omo Sexy, Omotola Jalade Ekinde is one of the most loved characters in Nollywood. This actress, who has starred in hundreds of movies, is believed to be worth about 550 million naira or about $1.5 million. The actress is also believed to earn nothing less than 2 million naira or about $5,500 per movie. As expected, Omotola has also raked in plenty of money from endorsements. As part of her endorsement contracts, Omotola served as an ambassador of the United Nations World Food Programme. Meanwhile, the star actress maintained endorsement deals with Gandol Cosmetics for Bio16 hair product and Unilever for Norfood seasoning. The Nollywood star also signed a multi-million naira endorsement deal as brand ambassador with Scamfrost Home Appliances and P&G, manufacturers of Pampers baby diapers. Worthy of mentioning is an ambassadorial deal with the Nigeria Liquefied Petroleum Gas Association (NLPGA), who used her to reach out to Nigerian women, encouraging them to start using gas instead of firewood. The actress, who also invested in an event center in Lagos, said she also makes money from motivational speaking. According to her, she speaks around the world and makes a lot of money from it. In 2012, Omotola launched her own reality show dubbed Omotola The Real Me. It was screened on African Magic Entertainment and Mnet subsidiary broadcast on DSTV. This made Omotola the first Nigerian celebrity to star in her own reality show. Coming at number 3 is Mercy Johnson, with a net worth of about 600 million naira or $1.6 million. This actress is described as one of the most vibrant actresses in Nigeria, who occasionally featured in about 5 movies on a weekly basis. As one of the richest paid Nigerian actresses, Mercy Johnson is believed to receive about 2 million naira or about $5,500 for each movie she appears in. Although she has signed a couple of endorsement deals, but industry experts say she has managed to capitalize on her frequent appearances in movies to generate her wealth. She is, however, a brand ambassador for Mr. Chef, Iroko TV and Vironi respectively. Taking the second spot is Genevieve Nnaji. This Nollywood goddess is believed to be worth about 850 million naira or about $2.3 million. The actress, who is famous for her charisma, beauty and movie roles, is believed to earn nothing less than 2 million naira or about $5,500 per film. She also has featured in various TV commercials like Pronto Beverages and Omo Detergent. Call her queen of endorsement in Nigeria and you won't be wrong. In 2004, she became the face of Lux in Nigeria. In May 2010, Nnaji was appointed the official brand ambassador for international makeup company Maude. She also claimed a deal with Amstel Malta and Citron Energy Drink respectively. Polo Design Company also signed her for a 1-year deal, and in 2014, telecom company Etisalat signed her as their brand ambassador for a product called EasyFlex. She also represented e-commerce company Jumia and Range Rover Evoque respectively. The actress also has a clothing line named St. Genevieve. It's believed that some proceeds from this business go to charity. At number 1 is Rita Dominic. With a net worth of about 950 million naira or about $2.6 million, Rita Dominic is said to hold the prestigious position of the wealthiest actress in Nollywood. Though the light-skinned actress who hails from Imo State is believed to be born rich, but she skillfully exploited acting to build more wealth. The actress, who has appeared in over 100 movies, was in 2013 reported to earn as much as 2 million naira or about $5,500 per movie. Apart from her Nollywood earnings, the actress also raked in revenue from her endorsement deals with Canadian luxury hair brand BK Unique Hair. She also picked up endorsement deals with Zaron Cosmetic as well as another from herbal beverage brand Flat Tummy Tea. Banking giant Keystone Bank also appointed her as their brand ambassador. In a bid to increase revenue, the actress, together with her manager cum business partner Mildred Oko, started a production company which produced the award-winning movie The Meeting. The highly successful romantic comedy movie was said to have grossed over 25 million naira or about $69,000 at the box office. The movie also sold about 50,000 copies in DVD. This actress, who is also said to have interest in investing in her own human hair business, also enjoys powerful corporate sponsorship from companies for some of her productions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe before leaving.